we now present Alaripu. Alaripu is a traditional opening piece in the Bharatanatyam performance and serves as a spiritual and physical invocation. The word Alaripu means blossoming, symbolizing the awakening of the dancer's body and mind in preparation for the recital. Performed purely in Nritta style, it showcases rhythm, grace, and coordination through structured movement that gradually involve the entire body, from the eyes and neck to the hands and feet. Set to rhythmic syllables called Shallukattu, Alaripu is presented in various talas and does not involve lyrics or emotions. Instead, it is a meditative offering paying homage to the divine, the guru, and the audience. It acts as a warm-up centering the dancer and setting a devotional tone for the rest of the performance. Set to Tishra Jati and Rupakatalam, performed by Aradhyayam, Aradhya Gowda, Sharanya, Spurthi, Shreya, Sai Sadhana, and Tushita. Kalabhimanis, put your hands together. Now we present Alaripu.
Dhalangu taka tadigina tomta, tai, tayumta, tam, kita taka ta, tai, tayumta, tam, kita taka tam, dit, tam, kita taka tai, ta, tai, kita taka tam, dit, tam, kita taka tai, ta, tai, kita taka tam, dit, tam. Tai, tattai, tam, dittam, 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 kita taka tai, ta, tai, kita taka tam, dittam, kita taka tai, ta, tai, kita taka tam, dittam, tai, tattai, 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 tam, dittam, kita taka tai, ta, tai, kita taka tam, dittam, kita taka tai, ta, tai, kita taka tam, dittam, tai, tattai, 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 ta hat jham tari tak tari tai, tadigina tom tak tadigina tom tak ದ್ರಿಗಿಡ್ತಕ್ಕ 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 ದಳಂಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತದಿಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೊಂತ ತೈ ತೈಯುಂ ತ ತಾಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ